We hope you enjoy your Valor Radiant gas fireplace. We recommend watching this series of videos to get accustomed to using your Valor Plus or Max remote control system. The Valor Plus and Max remotes provide full and customizable control of your fireplace. Your remote makes it easy to select, adjust, and program your desired fireplace temperature for when you're awake, and set timers to turn down the fireplace after you and your family go to bed. It also allows you to turn your pilot light on and off from the palm of your hand. You'll never have to get on your hands and knees to light the pilot again. The Valor Plus and Max remote features timer and thermostatic modes that help you save energy and lower your home heating costs. When using the Max remote on the Legend G3.5 or G4 Valor gas fireplace inserts and the H5 or H6, you are also able to control the optional circulating fan kits. Enjoy your fireplace to the fullest using the Valor Max and Plus remote controls and feel the warmth. That's the value of Valor.